Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So I'll be taking you on how to use the CapCut app in video editing. And most of us know or have used or have been using the CapCut app or has never made use of the CapCut app. But today we're teaching you how to make use of it, to add text, music effects, and also to make use of it in your various social media accounts. So going straight to the class, we'll get to open the CapCut application. So once you open the application, if it's your first time using it, you click on new project. But if you've been using it before, you just continue with new video, the plus arrow. So when you are there, you click on the image, the videos you want to edit. Let's click on this two and start with it. Then you click add. So we are in the main page, the home page. This is what you see once you click on it. So let me quickly explain what you are seeing on your screen. Where you are seeing the elephants is called the video preview. This is the video where the elephant is. Then where you see this add audio displays and the add text, where this line is called the timeline. So now below it, this edit, these are the editing tools. They are below the timeline. So I believe we've understood the concept. So now to start the explanation, so to remove unwanted parts of your videos, you click the edit. Either you click on this timeline of the image, it will show you this, or you click the edit. You see. So now anyone that you don't want, if you feel this is excess, maybe you want to, it's not necessary in the video or it's too much, as this line is there, you click on split and it splits the video. You can delete it. Then if you want to, maybe you mistakenly split by mistake, you can undo. You can undo it back. Then the next is adding of audio. So now this is your audio. You could add any of your audio. So you click on the sound. These are recommended videos. If you don't want anyone from here, you could click here. That would get directly from your phone, from the ones in your phone. So the next is going to add text. If you want to add text to this video and to the video you're editing, you just click on text, right? Then you will click add text. You can type anything. Maybe say text. Let's enter the text again. Yeah, text or text. This is it. Then if you want to change the template, you can click on any of the templates. It will change the font. This is for font. If you want different writing style, you click any of this, it will change it for you. Then the styles, you want it anyhow you want it, you click on this. If you want to reduce how bold the text is, the opacity, that's what it's called. Sorry. You just reduce it from here. So from here, it will reduce how bold it is in the background. You get. So that is the case of adding text. So now the next is overlay. If you want to overlay anything, maybe add something to the video, just click here and choose. Let's say we're choosing back this add. Now we'll go to this to reduce. Do you see? Darken it. You select whatever you want to do in the video. So that is the concept of overlay. Then we go to effect. Now here in video effects, now whatever you want, whatever actions you see, like most times when you're watching movie, you see thunder, rain, fire, lightning. So those are effects. Like this is lightning now. You see, you fix it in your video. You can adjust the time. If it's body, how you want the body movement to be. Let's say the elephants are bringing light from their eyes. Use this one. You see, these are like inside the videos. So that's what the body effect is. So it's same for photo effect. So now caption, it auto generates. Let's just say generate. Then these are different templates, how you want it to look like. You click, it will generate. If there is audio in your video, it will generate it automatically for you. It couldn't generate because there's no speech in the video. So now that is for this basic entry, how to make use of it from here. Then aspect ratio, which is very important when you are downloading your video. This is how the original lesson looks like. This template is for TikTok, this is for YouTube, and you can also use this for YouTube Shorts. This is for Instagram. So these are different aspects. Maybe when you are done, you want to post it on different channels or different social media channels platform, you could like select. Most of the aspect ratios I usually use is the 9.16 aspect ratio because it accommodates most of the social medias. So these are filters. If you want to filter the image or your video to a certain, so you just select the filter, and that's it for filter. Then now this is for adjustment. If you want to adjust the brightness, the color, you just whatever you want to adjust. Maybe it's too dark, it's too bright. This section is just for editing. So now if you want to add a sticker, maybe I want to say subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll just click here and it's added to my image. It's added to my video automatically. So that is it for the sticker. So if you want to maybe change background, just click on the background, then select the background that you want, whether you do remove or you add. And that's how you edit a video using CapCut on your phone or PC. So hope you enjoyed and follow through the class. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI application and video editing. Thank you very much. Bye.